Want to know how to earn rewards for free? Welcome to the world of Earnit, a get-paid-to site that's open to anyone, anywhere in the globe. Whether you're answering surveys, watching videos, or simply completing offers, Earnit promises a reward for your time and effort. Imagine having the freedom to earn at your own pace, from the comfort of your own space. Intrigued? Stay tuned to discover how you can start earning. So, how exactly do you earn from Earnit? The first method is through offer walls. Now, what are offer walls, you ask? They are essentially a collection of tasks that you can complete to earn rewards. And the variety of tasks is pretty wide-ranging. For instance, you could be asked to answer a survey. By providing your valuable insights, you're helping companies improve their products and services. Or you might be asked to download a mobile app or a game. You give it a whirl, see if you like it, and you're rewarded for your time. And there's also the option of signing up for websites. Again, it's as simple as it sounds. You sign up, you earn. The rewards for each task vary, but they're always worth your time. Sounds simple, right? But that's not all. Let's move on to the next method. Did you know you can earn just by watching videos on Earnit? Now you might be thinking, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. It's as simple as it sounds. You watch videos and you earn. These can be anything from short clips to full-length movies, advertisements, and more. There's something for everyone. New videos are added regularly, so there's always fresh content to enjoy. Plus, the more videos you watch, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. The rewards for watching videos vary, but they're always worth it. Every video you watch brings you closer to your next reward. And here's the best part. You're not just earning for yourself. Every video you watch helps support content creators too. So, you're giving back to the community while earning rewards. Just imagine earning while enjoying your favorite videos. But wait, there's more. Want to earn passively? Earnit's referral program might just be the thing for you. Here's how it works. First, you invite your friends to join Earnit. You can do this by sharing your unique referral link through social media, emails, or even text messages. When your friends join through your link, they become your referrals. Now comes the fun part. Every time one of your referrals redeems a reward from Earnit, you receive a commission. And it's not just a one-time thing. You get a 5% commission each and every time they redeem. So the more active your referrals are, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it. 3 ways to earn rewards from Earnit. But how do you claim these rewards? Now that you've earned all these coins, how do you convert them into rewards? Well, it's as straightforward as it sounds. You simply head over to the rewards section and choose your desired reward. Want a Steam or Discord gift card? It's yours. Prefer to dabble in crypto? You can convert your coins into Bitcoin Cash or Litecoin. It's all about what suits your needs. Choose, confirm, and there you have it. And voila! You've successfully turned your time and effort into tangible rewards. So, are you ready to start earning? With Earnit, you can accumulate rewards by completing offers, watching videos, and referring friends. Convert your earnings into gift cards or even crypto. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to earn online. Thanks for watching and happy earning.